Can we improve this render submitted by Iris? He thinks it can be more realistic and cinematic. For an alley scene like this, details on the street is a really important part, because that's where our eyes go first. We also want to tell a story with this. What kind of street is it? Is it dirty? Did it rain before? What is the person doing back there? We also want to separate the person from the background to make him more visible. I really like the puddle material you did, and I kept that and added a displacement to the texture you already had there, to this asphalt texture, to get a lot more details. I also got rid of the grass because grass normally doesn't grow on concrete. Then I added in some dirt on the edges where it would get caught up in real life as well. Around the trash can should be some kind of trash on the floor, maybe someone missed it, throwing it into the trash can. So yeah, I added this trash can asset and duplicated some of the paper and the cup. Then let's put the guy more into the middle and add a light in the back to make the guy's silhouette more visible. I also rearranged the buildings in the background because I really like them and I want to make them more visible. I really like it right now with the HDRI, the volume and the area light you already set up here. So I don't want to change it too much, I just changed it slightly to have a little bit more light on the wall. In the end, it's all about the small details that subconsciously tell our eyes that something doesn't look real, like for example the grass on the asphalt. So yeah, always use real life reference. And this is the before and after. Let me know if I improved this.